Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Now my peeps, let's get into this video. Now guys, we're gonna bake some sweet potato bread. All right, so what I did here, you can put the sweet potato in the oven, you can put it in the microwave, in the toaster oven. What I did here guys, I just cook it on the stove, and as you can see, I don't make it mash out and softly. All right, so this kind of a little bit hard, and this is how I'm gonna do it, because when it get too soft, it take up too much water. All right, so what I did, this is how it's looking, and I just scoop it out just like that. All right, I leave this part because this part always have a string. Okay, just cut out that part, clean it up a little bit. All right. It's so good, so nice. Just go ahead and cut. Ooh, you see guys, kind of a little bit hard. You can puree it too. You can put it in a small food processor and you can puree it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a fork and mush this out really well, because as you see, it ain't gonna have much string because I'm gonna put the outer part in it. All right, the outer part have lots of string, and you're just gonna need one medium-sized sweet potato for this one. Guys, it's so nice. May I eat it out? Oh my god, it's so nice. Alright guys, we're gonna set this aside. Just gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Alright, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons baking powder. I'm gonna put half teaspoon salt. If you want to put a teaspoon, it's up to you. And I'm gonna go in with half teaspoon cinnamon powder. All right, I'm also gonna go in with half teaspoon nutmeg. All right, nutmeg. And the last thing guys, here I have about a tablespoon of this coconut powder. You can add about 1/4 cup of the liquid if you don't have this one. And that's it. Just sieve this away. Use 3 eggs, and we're gonna break them. And you know guys, I am gonna take the whites out, or otherwise known as the chalaza. I'm just gonna give this a little whisk. Now we're gonna go in with only half cup of sugar, brown sugar. Okay, you don't need it sweet because the potato is already sweet. Okay, and this is my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put 1/3. All right, at the same time I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon almond extract. All right guys, and give this a little mix. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of lemon juice. All right guys, and now I have half cup of milk, and I'm gonna add it gradually. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with some flour, or with the mixture. All right, and I'm working with half cup of milk. I'm gonna pour some milk. I'm gonna add some more flour, or some more of the mixture. and the rest of the milk. And the rest of the flour. And you want to give this a little mix. All right. Can you see that, guys? This is how you want it. Can you see that goodness? And I'm just gonna pour that in. I like little pieces of it in it, but if you don't like that, you can puree it, okay guys? Go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my bread pan here. I'm just gonna grease it. And then I have some grease-proof paper. I'm just gonna set it in it. You wanna go ahead and give it a final scrape. Make sure all the bottom and everything is good. And this recipe will make one. All right guys, just go ahead and scrape that in. Guys, other people might do recipe, but always try to put your twist on your recipe, okay guys? Tap any extra air bubbles. And now we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. It should be good. Okay, I have some guava jam. You can use a teaspoon of honey, and I melt it in the microwave for 12 seconds. Okay, and I'm just gonna baste this while it's still hot. Okay, and this will be my glaze for the top. This won't let it dry out or anything, and you just need a teaspoon. Okay guys, super moist, super soft. All right, and that's it there guys. All right my peeps, this is it. All right, this is how it's looking. All right, and I'm gonna taste it for you. All right. Guys, and it's not sweet, it's so good.